Hello. In this video, I show you how to create a backup appliance with NAKIVO Backup and Replication on Synology NAS. First of all, you need to install NAKIVO Backup and Replication on the Synology NAS. Log into your Synology account and open the Package Center in the Management interface. Use the search box to locate NAKIVO Backup and Replication packages, and click Install. When the download completes, accept the license agreement, click Next, then click Done. Once the installation is done, locate NAKIVO Backup and Replication in the Installed tab and click Open. When you open the NAKIVO Backup and Replication login page for the first time, you are prompted to create a new administrator account. To create an account, you only need to enter a name, a username, an email address, and a secure password. Click Create Account to start up the configuration wizard. Click Add New on the inventory page of the wizard to add your infrastructure to the solutions inventory. For this demo, I'm adding a VMware vCenter server. To do so, select Virtual, click Next, choose VMware vCenter or ESXi host, and click Next again. On the Options tab, enter a display name for the added item, specify the vCenter's IP address and credentials, and click Finish. Once your vCenter is added to the inventory, you can see how many hosts, VMs and VM templates it contains. Click Next to proceed to the Transporters tab. As you can see, the full installation of NAKIVO Backup and Replication comes with an onboard transporter. However, if you install the solution on an ARM-based NAS, you'll need to deploy an additional transporter to work properly with VMware vCenter and ESXi hosts. Click Next to go to the Repositories tab. By default, an onboard repository is created when the full solution package is installed. Click Finish to open the Jobs menu. The initial setup is now complete and you can create your first backup job. Click Create and select VMware vSphere Backup Job to open the wizard. On the Source tab, select the virtual machines you'd like to backup and click Next. Select the backup destination or leave the onboard repository selected by default, and click Next. Configure a schedule for this backup job. You can have this job run daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, periodically, or after another job. Alternatively, check the Do Not Schedule, Run on Demand option if you want to run the backup process manually. Click Next. On the Retention tab, specify the number of recovery points you want to keep and for how long. You can also make new recovery points immutable for a period of time, for example, 30 days. Click Next to go to the Options tab. Finally, configure job options or leave the default settings and finish and run to run your backup job for the first time. The job is now started and you can track its progress in the Overview dashboard. The solution is currently taking snapshots of the selected VMs, and once the snapshots are completed, you can monitor the raw data transfer speed and the amount of transferred raw data from these two charts. And that concludes our how-to video. Thank you for watching. Visit the NAKIVO resource library for more how-tos and other useful resources.